In this box is over $300 worth of fingerboard stuff. Now, me and Roman have been making fingerboard videos and fingerboarding a lot together, which is super fun. And Black River is supposedly the best fingerboard site product you can get for fingerboarding. I was like, you know what? Let's put it to the test, right? Because we're awesome at fingerboarding and we're ready to test the top of the line stuff, right?
Right.
Really, I just love surprising Roman with fingerboard stuff and doing with them. It's super fun. And I think we can make a bunch of videos from this, specifically this being a $300 fingerboard haul. So you want to open up the box and see what we got?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my god.
I kind of peeked a little bit. All right, what'd they give us?
They give us some notebooks.
Oh, fingerboard catalog. Oh, look.
It comes with stickers. Oh my god.
Huge sticker pack.
And I think this is a t-shirt or anything.
What? Is it a t-shirt?
Wait a second.
I think it's a bag. Oh, they gave us a bag.
It's something's in it.
I did not order the bag. What's in there?
This is a fingerboard obstacle, I know.
You think this is a fingerboard obstacle? Bring it over this way. I don't think it's a fingerboard obstacle.
I think it is.
It's stickers. More stickers. Dude, the sticker support is insane.
And that.
Oh yeah.
What?
I bought this for my office. It's a holder for fingerboards. It's actually super nice. Slow down, slow down, slow down. How do you open this? There's no way you can screw it. How do you get in there? I'm like nervous. There, yeah. So you do that, and then you can take your fingerboards, stick them in there, put them on display. I'm kind of a nerd. Essentially, you can
Do that.
do that. I didn't stick them there, but yeah, essentially you can hang your fingerboards. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
The quality of this is actually rad. Now, I don't know what I paid for this. I'll pop up the price somewhere, but that's just so...
Dad, can we
We're starting to
open
collect a
another
decent amount of decks. So.
one? The other one?
Yeah, grab another one.
What about this?
Ooh. Okay, so
It comes with a fingerboard.
on Black River's website was, they also sold Bali fingerboards, which were a lot cheaper than the Black River ones. I'm assuming they still own that company, but and I didn't think it was gonna come in pieces, but I got a complete Bali deck. I think it was around like 50 bucks for Roman Dog, and we were gonna compare this versus
this one.
this, which is a full complete Black River skateboard. This was a $140 skateboard.
I was
something like
about
that.
to guess that.
It's over 100. It's the price of a real skateboard, which is insane. So we're gonna compare an insanely expensive fingerboard versus an average price fingerboard. And I'm not really the dude to be doing this. I'm not good at fingerboarding. We're enjoying it though, and so it'll be a fun video, right?
Yeah.
To ride a really expensive fingerboard. Hello, Bristol. Welcome to the party. So what else is in there?
A fingerboard obstacle.
Ooh. So this is a Black River fingerboard obstacle.
And they put stickers on for
They
you.
put stickers on it. I think one of the biggest difference I've noticed between this and like Garrett Jenner's fingerboard is weight. This is a lot lighter, but this is a box, so you can like
And you can just.
got the grass too. Yeah, so yeah, if you wanted to, you could like.
Is that real grass?
No, it's fake grass.
How you do it? Butter, because it's shaped like a butter.
A butter, like you eat.
Yeah.
You think they sent us butter to eat?
Yeah, I don't know. It's shaped like it.
Ta-da! I thought this was cool. Yep.
So you do this.
Yep, but you put it this way. So it's another way to just put the current fingerboards.
I want this.
You want that? That's pretty cool, right? It holds the fingerboards. So for that Bali complete that we got, it came not fully put together. So when we do that video for Roman testing out the new board, we got some Bali wheels and Bali trucks, black. And then the last thing we got, some Black River wheels. Cause I got this like David Jones Porker complete, and the trucks are fine, but I'm suspect about these wheels. I don't think they're that good, so I got some really gnarly wheels to put on this guy. See, I've always wondered, like with the wheel, like does it matter with fingerboard wheels? So should we check out the fingerboard wheels this video?
Yeah.
So I need to get a tool to do the wheels real quick. Do you know where? It's not gonna be in there. You goober butt. Yeah, more stickers. They give you so many stickers.
How the stickers they give us. Can I do it for you? Yeah. Just do it. See what it this way.
Just putting stickers on everything. Is it kosher to put the design on the outside with fingerboards, or is it like skateboarding where you put it on the inside?
Nice fingerboard.
You want your fingerboard? Go get it. Thought about getting Bristol a really nice one too, and I was like, that's ridiculous. Stop spending like crazy. All right, New wheels on. Let's see if it feels different. Squeaks. Do you hear that?
That doesn't squeak at all.
Definitely bigger. Ah. We'll play around with them. We'll let you guys know. We have a bunch of videos coming from this fingerboard haul. You excited to make some fingerboard videos with me?
Yeah.
And
I need this one for it real quick.
oh, you need that real quick? Let's see it.
It's just
I will make a video on that feature, all the stuff. That was wild, dude. But yeah, we're really excited to test out the fingerboard stuff. So subscribe to see all the different videos we're gonna make with fingerboard content if that's something you're interested in. I've just been really enjoying doing that with my son. Thank you so much for shredding with us. And as always,
keep evolving.
thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow in another video. It's daily. I shout. We do stuff like this.
Yeah.